Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news dated November 2019. Drought-affected farmers and ranchers have extra time to sell livestock. But first, at our website at accountinginstruction.info, we do have a course related to not-for-profit accounting, a course that has much more than just instructional videos, including Excel worksheets that you can download and fill out in a step-by-step process along with instructional videos. Any course purchase at our website at accountinginstruction.info does support our channel, does support all the content that we create. Please consider visiting our website at accountinginstruction.info, purchasing a course, supporting the channel. That's at accountinginstruction.info, INFO. Drought can be devastating to farmers and ranchers. Those who were forced to sell livestock due to drought may get extra time to replace the livestock. They can also have more time to defer tax on any gains from the forced sale. Here are some facts to help farmers understand how the deferral works and if they are eligible. The 1-year extension gives eligible farmers and ranchers until the end of the tax year after the first drought-free year to replace the livestock. The farmer or rancher must be in an applicable region. An applicable region is a county designated as eligible for federal assistance, as well as counties contiguous to that county. The farmer's county, parish, city, or district included in the applicable region must be listed as suffering exceptional, extreme, or severe drought conditions by the National Drought Mitigation Center. There's a link to the National Drought Mitigation Center here. All or part of 32 states plus Guam and U.S. Virgin Islands and the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico and Northern Mariana Islands are listed. The list of applicable regions is in Notice 2019-54. There's a link to that here on the it's also on the IRS.gov website. That's at IRS.gov. The relief applies to farmers who were affected by drought that happened between September 1st, 2018 and August 31st, 2019. This relief generally applies to capital gains on sales of livestock held for draft, dairy, or breeding purposes. Sales of other livestock, such as those raised for slaughter or held for sporting purposes or poultry, are not eligible. To qualify, the sales must be solely due to drought, flooding, or other severe weather causing the region to be designated as eligible for federal assistance. The farmers generally must replace the livestock within a 4-year period instead of the usual 2-year period. Because the normal drought sale replacement period is 4 years, this extension immediately affects the drought sales that occurred during 2015. However, because the previous drought-related extensions affecting some of these areas, the replacement periods for some drought sales before 2050 are also affected. Details, including an example of how this provision works, can be found in Notice 2006-82. There's a link to that here. It's also on the IRS website at irs.gov.